Predal Flexliner, manhole rehabilitation with the Predal Flexliner system, made out of wastewater-resistant synthetic material. With the Predal Flexliner, a user-friendly manhole rehabilitation is possible within a very short time. The manhole base liner is inserted in the manhole in one piece, and in a non-destructive manner and unfolded to the original size once in the manhole. The most modern possibility for the exact recording of the data of the old manhole. Digitalization of the old manhole as a 3D model. The Predal Flexliner is manufactured on the basis of chemical-resistant polyurea and can be inserted into the shaft completely without splitting. Flexliner with attached EPDM transition piece for installation using a stainless steel sleeve in the connection pipe. The polystyrene model, which has been milled on the basis of the scanned data, serves as a mold for the production of the Flexliner and for its stabilization before casting. Dragon Screed DS24. Dragon Screed is dedicated to innovating concrete equipment to improve the process of pouring concrete. Born out of 40 years of experience screeding concrete and dragging gravel, Dragon Screeds designs level subscreed and screed concrete faster and with less labor than any other method on the market. Dragon Screed will save our time, reduce our labor, increase our versatility, improve our quality, and boost our profits. Complete flatwork projects with 50% less laborers. Your hard-working employees will be pleased to stand back out of the mud and gravel. Watch our product do the most strenuous parts of their job for them. With vibrating floats integrated into our screeding process, concrete finishers will be well rested and able to dedicate their full attention and energy to the final touches. Your employees will experience a serious morale boost by not having to drag subgrade or concrete, and your problems with employee retention will be a thing of the past. HYDROTEX Articulating Block. Articulating block mats form cable-reinforced concrete block mattresses that resist erosive forces. They are often constructed where a revetment is exposed to frontal attack by wave action. Ab mats are typically used to protect coastlines, canals, rivers, lakes, reservoirs, underwater pipelines, bridge piers, and other marine structures from propeller wash, ship wakes, wind waves, currents, and high-velocity flows. They are also used in environmental construction for landfill caps, downshoots, and collector channels. The ab fabric form consists of a series of compartments linked by an interwoven perimeter. Grout ducts interconnect the compartments, and high-strength revetment cables are installed between and through the compartments and grout ducts. Once filled, the ab mats become a mattress of pillow-shaped, rectangular concrete blocks. The interwoven perimeters between the blocks serve as hinges to permit articulation. The cables remain embedded in the concrete blocks to link the blocks together and facilitate articulation. Flexim Roof Mortar. Tests have shown that Flexim Roof Mortar is up to 5 times faster and 50% cheaper to install than traditional mortar systems. There's no need for any mixing and no washing out needed. When the job's been completed, Flexim Roof Mortar is supplied in ready-to-use strips, making it quick and simple to install. There's no time-consuming mixing needed, and any product not used can be saved until your next project. Once installed, Flexim Roof Mortar is instantly water-resistant. It is also extremely strong and will withstand all types of weather conditions and temperature extremes. Flexim Roof Mortar can be installed from +104 degF down to -13 degF. Flexim Roof Putty contains no harmful ingredients and is formulated using natural linseed oil. It is therefore ideal for use during sustainable building construction. The aesthetics of the roof can be perfectly matched with one of Flexim's dedicated colors, available in terracotta, rust red, gray, light brown, dark brown, and black as standard. Blue and green are available. AFS Rediwall. AFS Rediwall is a versatile permanent formwork system for below and above ground wall applications. Its innovative system is made of prefabricated, high-quality panels and interconnecting components that simply snap or slide into place. AFS Rediwall is a tough, low-maintenance, load-bearing reinforced concrete solution, which can cut your installation times in half. AFS Rediwall is a permanent formwork walling system suitable for above and below ground applications such as basements, blade walls, columns, party walls, retention tanks, retaining walls, landscaping walls, planter boxes, foundation walls, service and stormwater pits, and more. FP Mccann Construction Solutions. FP Mccann offers a range of precast concrete solutions for drainage and water management, box culverts, building products, tunnels and shafts, rail, power and infrastructure, walling, fencing, agricultural, structural solutions, flooring, architectural solutions, tanks and chambers, dock leveler pits, filter bed wall. FP Mccann is the UK's largest manufacturer and supplier of precast concrete solutions. In Northern Ireland, they also offer quarrying, ready-mix, surfacing, dry silo mortar, and FP Mccann homes. FP Mccann also operates within the construction sector and has secured and completed a portfolio of award-winning construction work within Northern Ireland. These include projects in the public sector areas of health, education, water and transport infrastructure, and private industrial and commercial developments. SJS Seismic Expansion Joint. Seismic Expansion Joint System watertight, sound dampened for parking decks, car parks, stadiums, floors. A seismic expansion joint, the SJS system is watertight and features a trafficable cover plate that is not attached to the concrete deck. It is comprised of silicone and impregnated foam hybrid components that ensure watertightness, absorb sound, dampen vibration, and offer uncomplicated installation. Specify SJS-FR for all the benefits of SJS with the added life safety assurance of a built-in OL 2079 fire rating. Geismar S2PV. The S2PV gives you an efficient track laying methodology to achieve a high output 200 meters per hour. Long plane track panels, compatibility with other track laying method, and the ability to work in any type of networks makes the S2PV a must-have for quick and efficient installation of track. The S2PV ensures a safe work environment with a user-friendly remote control. The versatility of this system offers you the operational capability to combine some of these elements for other track laying systems to suit various track laying methods. The high output performance of the SPAC system offers you the advantage of installing a switch in less than an hour. Artificial turf. Artificial turf is a surface of synthetic fibers made to look like natural grass. It is most often used in arenas for sports that were originally or are normally played on grass. However, it is now being used on residential lawns and commercial applications as well. The main reason is maintenance. Artificial turf stands up to heavy use, such as in sports, and requires no irrigation or trimming. Domed, covered, and partially covered stadiums may require artificial turf because of the difficulty of getting grass enough sunlight to stay healthy. Artificial turf does have its downside. However, limited life, periodic cleaning requirements, petroleum use, toxic chemicals from infill, and heightened health and safety concerns